Say a fulfillment entry is landing in the wrong account. Cost of goods sold showing up under a credit card. The account on each line comes from a short chain of settings, and the most specific one wins. Walk the chain. First, the company default, under Accounting, Settings, Nominal Code Mappings. After a chart import from QuickBooks, every QuickBooks account is selectable here, including cards and bank accounts. So check what cost of goods sold actually points at, and fix it if it's wrong. Next, Channel Accounting. A code in a channels row overrides the default for every order on that channel. This wholesale channel posts its cost to a separate wholesale account. Edit, at the end of the row, changes or clears it. A single product can override both on its Accounting tab. A dash means no override. Anything set here wins over the channel and the default for that product's lines. Fixing the settings steers new entries. For ones that already posted, open the entry, select lines and reassign them, or use Find and Replace to remap one account to another. On a posted entry, the change reverses and reposts a correction, so your history stays auditable.
For the full written guide, visit skew.io/docs.